Hello again. So in the last example, we created an eSign rental agreement here, which we went through. And that was created from one of the donor templates here, which is great. Then what we did is we associated the rental agreement with this booking policy, and we checked the booking policy at the same time. And now we're going to create a trip, our first real trip, with our new eSign rental agreement. So we're going to go to Trip Manager, we're going to go to New, let's use my generic adrian@linemaker.com. We're going to add a property. Let's check in today and go whatever on the 26th. And let's have a look at the 4 properties that are available. And this one's got 25% off because it's got a deal on it. So we're going to create a new option there. And we're just going to book that straight away. So we're not going to send a booking correspondence right now. Well, you know what? Let's just send one. So there we go. Submit the booking. And there we go. So that is going to then, booking's completed. That's going to, series of things happen in the back end. We can see it's been confirmed by Adrian Barrett. If I'm not in the back end, if it's directly from the website, it will ask for a human to confirm that the booking is correct. You can see that I'm signed in as me. Okay, and we've got our trip itinerary there. So this is our itinerary for our trip. It's great. Okay, so we're good to go there. So what we're now going to do is and remember, we've associated this home. So any booking that comes in comes through the booking policy and then looks at what type of agreement you want to send. And in this case, we want to send them an eSign rental agreement. So we're just going to click send, and that's going to send out a rental agreement there. So what I'm going to do now is let me just split my screen because I want to show you how this is going to look on. Let me just make this a bit smaller so you can see it. So you can see now that the rental agreement has come through. The actual rental agreement itself is here if you want to have a look at it. Okay. And that's the eSign. So what we now do is we click here to eSign your rental agreement, and that will take you through to this page. I'm just going to bring that up here and this up here so you can see that everything in LMPM is live. So this is the rental agreement that you want everybody to read, obviously. And you can have whatever information or data or terms or whatever that you want. This is the, I'm just going to use Adrian P. Barrett. I'm going to sign that agreement there. And you'll notice on the left-hand screen here that it's already updated in real time. And I can view that rental agreement. That is recorded, that is in the system now, so that's in LMPM. So the original signature from the client, we can just delete that. And then that is basically our signed rental agreement there. Signed, there we go, signed on, IP address, we're good to go. So we now have a booking within the system, within LMPM. We can see that booking. We can see that all rental agreements have been marked sent and received. So we're good to start on the next components of that trip. So we'll start doing that in the next series of videos. Thank you.